You can remove blockages in your life and manifest your life purpose by doing these 4 physical movements. This is a kriya called Param Karam Dharam. Kriya means action or effort, and it's a sequence of exercises that's meant to produce a specific result. Similar to a prescription, if you have one issue or one thing that you want to solve, you would have a kriya that would achieve your desired result. Karma is an action or deed and its consequences. And this principle is related to the rebirth cycle. If one has good karma, then you would have a more favorable rebirth. But for us humans, it's our goal to get out of this karmic cycle. And to do that, we must focus on our dharma. Dharma is our duty here during this lifetime. Dharma means that we should live in our true nature, to act in a way that is true to our essence. Now, in our lifetime, there could be a number of things that could get in the way of this, such as subconscious programming that become limiting belief systems, our traumas, our triggers, our emotional responses, the way we think, the way we act, can all be colored by the experiences that we've had. And if these experiences weren't favorable, then they could get in the way of how we want to act in this world. So we need to break down these energetic blockages, which is one action of this kriya. And this kriya also entrains our emotional, mental, and subtle body energies together so that they can come together in union. That means we can become more focused and intentional in the way that we use our energy. Imagine how much you can accomplish if you're able to put all of your energy into your goal or manifestation. By breaking down blockages, by bringing our energies into unison, then we can step up and become the person that we were meant to be. So this kriya has 4 steps in a sequence, first starting on the right hand side and then on the left. There are 2 options for the mantra that you can play during this practice. Apsahai Hoa if you want to invite more prosperity, or Chatra Chakra Varti if you want to bring in fearlessness, courageousness. First, you'll tune in by placing your palms together at heart center. You'll either chant Om Namo Gurudev Namo 3 times. This means I bow to the teacher within. This is connecting you with the golden lineage of Kundalini Yoga. Or you have the option of chanting Om, connecting yourself with the universal sound. After you chant 3 times, you can begin by playing the mantra and beginning the 4-step sequence. As you inhale, you'll step back with your right foot and reach your arms up and back, coming into a slight back bend. This posture reflects presentness. You're showing the universe where you are, how you are, gathering the big picture of your current state. Next, as you exhale, you're going to step that right foot forward, either crossing at the ankles if your balance doesn't agree today, or you can cross your right foot over on the left thigh, coming into a figure 4 position, then hinging at the hips, keeping your hands in prayer. This posture reflects balance, stability. You can think of it like the equilibrium point of infinity, where there is no movement, no momentum, just stillness. Inhale, step forward into a lunge. Right arm in front, thumbs are pointed up. Left arm pulls back as if you're pulling on a bow. This is archer pose. This posture reflects action, purpose. Gaze beyond your thumb and think about, bring in your intention. What do you want to manifest? What is your goal? Exhale, step the right leg back to meet the left. Stand straight and bring your hands, palms face up in a cupped position right about your solar plexus area, representing receiving. This posture shows the universe that you are surrendering to the outcome, surrendering to destiny, surrendering to trust. And then you'll repeat this sequence again on the left leg. So left leg steps back, arms reach back, slight back bend, showing the universe your present moment. Exhale, either crossing at the ankles or cross your left foot over your right thigh, then hinge at the hips, palms are together in prayer, balance. stillness, neutrality. Inhaling, stepping forward into a lunge. Left arm is forward into a fist, thumb points up. Right arm pulls back as if you're pulling on a bow, archer pose. Action, gaze beyond your thumb. Focus on your intention. Stepping the left leg back, coming to standing. Palms are in receiving. Surrender. And you're going to repeat this sequence, right leg then left leg, for approximately 11 minutes, but depending on the mantra that you find, it could be 6 minutes, 9 minutes. And then to close, bring your palms back together into prayer. Inhale, then chant Sat Nam. Sat Nam meaning truth is my name. Here you are acknowledging the true essence that resides within you. Then bring your forehead and your palms into the ground to ground off that energy. You can do this kriya every single day for 40 days or 90. You can bring it up to 120 or even 1,000 days if you like. If you're tired of repeating the same patterns and not moving forward in your life, then this kriya is definitely something that could help you move forward and to become who you want to be, to fulfill your dreams and your desires. It's such a powerful kriya to help you manifest. And after practicing this kriya, before you close off, you can practice this meditation to really draw in and entrain your life purpose.